Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 6:25 p.m. and today is 30th of October 2019. How was your Diwali? I'm 100% sure you had a most wonderful time and you had the most green Diwali as well. Whether it was actually bursting the cracker, those were also green, and I'm hoping that you had a green Diwali in your stocks as well. So hope you have taken the stocks that I have suggested, and I'm hoping that you will make good money like the previous years and previous past performances. I'm 100% sure you will get the good return for the Diwali stocks that Stock Pro has given. All right. So this is my website, stockproonline.com. And what we have started with a new feature called free research. You will find all the free research and the blogs over here, right? The reason behind why we particularly want to buy a particular stock and all that will be given here, right? This is my website, and see here, we have posted our past, whatever research we did out here, right? You will get the in like the stocks that we have posted and how they performed, like how much high they made, how many points they have given, right? 5 points given, 3.65 points given, etc., etc., and we're just updating it, right? um, so you can log in into my website. You will get a lot of free material, like we have published a blog out here about the stock that I have given on Diwali. Why, what is the reason for that, right? I have given that, and we'll be giving you a lot more material over here. So if you read here, everything that you would like to know is provided over here, right? So this is the website which you can use fully, and all this research is going to be free for you, right? And I want to bring you to my trading view handle, which has about 1880 followers, and every day, there are about 10, 15, 20 followers who are adding up over here. And the reason for that is the research that we publish. We didn't publish for 2 days. I've published that research on Telegram, but I want to show you, like, you pick up anything, you have the date, you have the time, you have everything. This is TCS that I have given, right? This is TCS that I have given, and if you play this button, you will get to see how TCS has performed. A straight uptrend. There is no, looking back. It's just been heading up, right? JSW Steel. Although I was reading in newspapers and all that the stock quality has deteriorated, etc., but our technicals, when the levels were broken from 225 or 226, it has made a high of 236, right? 10 points is pretty a lot, if you look into the lot size of JSW Steel. JSW Steel has a lot size of 2000, right? 10 points translates into 20,000 rupees, right? So you pick up any stock for that matter, right? Pick up any stock, right? Either they will break the level or they will not break the level and move, you know. So when it has broken, it has given good points. We gave a sell below 660, it made a low of 648, right? So BEL, buy above. Let's see how BEL has done. So BEL, we gave a buy at 116. It made a high of 122, right? Adani Enterprises, I gave a buy at 180. Look at how it's been moving just up in one single straight line, right? CESC, let's see how CESC performed, because it should be, that all the stocks should actually. So see here, first when I gave it, it didn't break my level. It rather came down, and then it broke the level and gave few points, right? It made a high of about 821. 10 points are good enough, they're not bad. Tata Steel, look at Tata Steel. I want to show you Tata Steel, how beautifully it has given a flight. Look at, just straight up, right? Sun Pharma, I'm saying look into each and every stock. It's just, look at, it's just a straight flight up, right? In Sun Pharma too. Siemens. So Siemens, the day I had given, it made a good down drop, and after that it has been kind of taken a bounce. The day I had given, it broke the level, came down, and then took a bounce from there, right? Look at this beautiful stock in Indigo. Nobody was talking about it, and I gave it a day before, and look at how it went down, down, down from there. Today there is a reversal, and I have given a buy on this. Let's see what happened in Hindalco. So beautifully, it has not broken the level, right? You can notice it has not broken the levels, right? That's the beauty of stock pro levels. So these are the stocks that I have given for tomorrow. 6 stocks. There are these 3 stocks for sell: Ultratech, HDFC Just Dial. And on buy side, I have Indigo, Grasim, and Nestle. And I hope you all are following me on my Telegram channel, right? This is my Telegram channel. And if you see here, yesterday I had given certain stocks, right? I've given Can Bank for a buy at 195, right? See here, these are the stocks. So anyway, it's the net is little slow. So let me just show you. Can Bank, I have given a buy. So Can Bank was given a buy at above 195, and it made a high of 202, right? 7 points are not less from any angle. Given a buy on MGL above 985, made a high of 1013. That is about 15 plus 28 points. I gave a buy on Godrej CP above 721, made a high of 740. 19 points. LNT, I said to buy at 1470, made a high of 1491.95, 21 points. BHEL, 6.5 points. Bank of Baroda, 3.6 points, right? This is something I'm sure this is the research that we do bang on, right? This is the research that we do bang on. So if you have not been on my TradingView platform, or you are not on my website, please log in anywhere and start using StockPro, right? StockPro's research, StockPro's, the only intention here is to make you financially independent. The only thing that I really want you guys to have a financial independence. All right. So, uh, what is the condition when I give you all these stocks? The condition is if the stock opens gap up or gap down, then you don't have to trade, right? Let me take you today's trades, right? I want to analyze them with you. Like I gave 6 stocks. We just discussed about them. We have given Godrej CP, LNT, BHEL, Bank of Baroda, and Cadila Health. I want to see which one we could have traded or which we could have avoid it. So this is BHEL. I gave a buy above this and it opened gap up. You have to ignore it, right? It is as simple as that. Next, I gave Godrej CP, right? Godrej Consumer Products. Now see, this didn't open gap up, right? It opened at the same point. I have given a buy at above 721. It opened around that point, and look at the move that it has given, right? Then the next stock that I had was LNT, right? This is LNT, and I have given a buy above 1470, right? If you see here, I have given a buy above 1470. If I remember correctly, LNT has been a buy above 1470, 1470, right? And it opened within the range, right? So when it is breaking its high, you can trade into this stock. The other stock that I have given was Bank of Baroda, right? Bank of Baroda is here. And see here, I have given a buy at this place, right, at 93.6. It didn't open gap up or gap down. And look at the beautiful movement the stock has given, right? I had Chola Finance on my radar. Look at the movement that it has given. Of course, I haven't posted because I knew kind of that I only wanted to give 6 stocks. I don't know how many of you noticed. Uh, I think on for yesterday I had given Titan and Torrent Pharma, right? Look at Torrent Pharma. It is heading in the it yesterday it went up, and today it's nicely coming down. There are 33-point correction, Titan 16 points correction, and so on and so forth. So what I'm trying to tell you here is that the research that you are supposed to do, I am doing it for you, right? You have to only follow the rules, right? Manage your risk report risk reward ratio, right? It's risk reward ratio you have to manage, right? When you are buying, how much is your stop loss, how much is your target? That is what you need to manage really well, right? Because getting a stock and trading, it requires a lot of emotional balance, right? You have to really balance your emotions while you are trading, right? You have to be satisfied, you have to be with small profits, right? You have to hold your position with SL in the profit zone, right? Your profit, like for example, it is Chola Finance, right? It was unidirectionally moving up. So what you have to do is, after 2 3 4 points, what you have to do, hold your position with stop loss in the profit zone, let it go up after that, right? Let it go up, because like for example, Bank of Baroda, so 94 if you buy, or whenever whatever type price we have given a buy above 93.5, so hold it, after first candle when it makes 95 as high, hold your position with 94 as a stop loss when the second candle starts moving up, so you have good profit. Let me just see how much is the lot size for Bank of Baroda. 4,500, 50 paisa translates into 2,250 rupees, right? And then just hold with 50 paisa at 50 paisa, right? And let it continue. I'm sure I have given, what did I give? Bank of Baroda 93.5, right? So up 94, above 94, just hold it with stop loss in the profit zone, right? And keep shifting your stop loss, keep modifying it, right? So this is how you can use my research, right? This is all for you guys. This is simply my um, um, what do you say, respect to you all. I want to do research. I want to give you some kind of, where you can understand, where you can trade, but responsibility of trading will be yours. Don't be emotional. If you see, I have given you the rules. The first rule is that the gap up and gap down opening should not happen. That's the first rule, right? And like for example, I've given 6 stocks for tomorrow, right? There are 3 for buying and 3 for selling side. So in case the sell side stocks open with gap down and the buy side opens with gap up, just ignore it, right? You have to ignore it. You have to buy only when it follows your rule that the stock has to open within the range, right? So with this, I'm signing off. I'm hoping that you all are present on my trade my this platform, which is Stock Pro officially, and I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. Before I forget, let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Seema Jain, your host right now, and I'm SEBI registered research analyst, and I'm a partner to major broking firms like Upstocks, Zerodha, and Fires. And also, I'm the chief mentor at StockPro. So also, what I wanted to tell you, hope you watched my trade of NIT today, right? Look at the time, 9:44, right? And I want to show you how NIT Tech was. I want to show you how NIT Tech was at 9:44, so that you can all understand this is where we were, right? Somewhere here. So somewhere here, if you see at the bottom, this is the place where I've given, right? It made this big candle, then it retraced a little bit, right? So I have given the buy at around this place, right? And I have given my buy above this particular place, 1524. And look at the blast it had once it broke it, right? Look at the blast that it had. The breakout came at about 1 o'clock, and from there, from 1524, it made a high of 15249, which is about 25 points. The lot size is 750. And you may believe that I'm just cooking up a story, but look at it here. You have the time in front of you. I can't manipulate this. Even if I want, I can't manipulate it. And look at the targets that I have given, and you can see yourself what has happened. At 9:49, I have given a buy on MGL, right? At 9:49, I have given a buy on MGL, right? MGL, I have given a buy at this place. So this had a lot of fluctuation. Actually, our entry was little delayed. Still, it made good points, right? It's not given huge profits, but still about 6 points, which translates into says 6 points into 600 is 3,600, and I always believe to have a stop loss after 2,500, right? So it gave a good movement within few minutes, right? So be here, be present here. I will continue doing whatever I can do in my capacity to give you the best of trades. And from what I expect from you is that you should do emotionless trading and start taking responsibility of your trades. That means you should know when to enter, when to exit, what to do and what not to do, right? And we see here, we sold, like this is my premium advisory, we sold SRF at 2760, right? And SRF went to touch low of, SRF went down to touch the low of where is SRF? Somewhere here, right? It made a low of 2707, right? From 60 to 760 to 2707. This is October future. I have to look into the November future, right? I have to look into November future. Where is November future? I am not getting it. Anyway, November future SRF here, right? It made a low of 202714, right? Almost like 45 points with a lot size of 250. 45 points translates more than 10,000 rupees, right? So this is, I mean, what I want to tell you guys is just judge. You look at yourself when you will, you know, any of the trade that I have given, you can click by yourself and you can see what is happening, right? You don't need anybody else's confirmation or anything. This is all digital. Look at how Sun Pharma moved, right? Very well, a day in advance you're getting the research, right? So with this, I'm signing off. I'm going to make probably another video for you maybe tomorrow to make you understand the stocks that I have given for next Diwali, right? One I have explained already, water base, but I have three more lined up which I need to explain. One of them is IIFL Securities, the other is IIFL Wealth, the other one is the fourth stock. I don't know whether you have seen it or not. I have given through four stocks, right? So I've given IFL Wealth Management, then I've given Confidence Petroleum, right? Confidence Petroleum is also that I have given, right? That is also something you can keep on your radar and you can look for confidence. So Confidence Petroleum is something that you can really keep on your radar and keep on accumulating, right? As it goes up and down, you can just keep on accumulating and you will be able to find, you will be able to create good money out of them. All right. I have done a lot of research about the stocks and I know for a fact that they will do good, right? So take care. Bye bye. See you and join me on my TradingView platform, or you can follow me on stockproonline.com, and please follow me at stock, stock pro at the SEBI research. This is my Telegram channel where I give my live trades. Also, please watch and subscribe my video and please share it with others. I keep hearing from a lot of people that they found videos really meaningful and they are suggesting it to friends. But I would like you all also to help me out so that more and more people can get the um, you know authentic videos. So this is my channel Stock Pro, and there are about 15.8 thousand subscribers. I have made roughly about a lot of stocks. I think about 450 plus about 500 videos I have made. So see you guys. Take care. Bye bye. I will make another few videos to explain you why I have selected those stocks. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.